Now replace the screen ambient light. We use a crowbar. Find the spot and stuff it in. Lift this up a bit, then pry around. Then lift it up. Bring this up. After the cover is taken off, here's a screw. Here's a screw. And there's also a screw here. First, let's remove these screws. After the screws are removed, we hold this place with a knife. Pin it up. Pry the screen out. Let's figure it out. Then there is one on the left and one on each side. Let's push this out. Pry the screen and it will come out. And when the screen comes out, we unplug it. After these plugs are unplugged, we can take the screen off. Then after our screen is removed, let's pull this apart. Pull this piece up a bit first. Pull it loose. Let's take out this long board here. Pull out. And I'm going to pop this lid open. Take it apart. After we dismantle the whole board, let's pick this thread out for it. Pick it loose and take it off. And there's a lamp over there. Let's take this lamp out. There's also a lamp holder here. Hold it. Then unplug the ignition switch. The whole board can be taken off. The trend on the right, stuff it with a skid plate. Find a gap. Then pry it out. You can take it out. And the big trend on both sides is the same. Take out the trend harness. There's a plug here. There is a trend line group written on it. Pull this set of wires under the right 4-foot socket light connection module and find these to nut. Along this light line, this is one left and one right. First pass the thread on the right. Put this line in the middle first. Then take out the threading line. Wear it to the right and out of the trend. Tie the lamp holder to the fish tape. And then pull it over. From here, the head cord comes out from here. And then the lamp over on the left comes through the middle. Just put this lamp holder here. Same here. Pull this wire under the socket light. Then the line goes around the back of the screen. That line has been all connected and gone. How to do the trend? The first trend has 3 screws. I will remove these 3 screws here. After the screws are removed, you can take it off if you go out of trend. And notice there's a hook that's going to be stuck on there. Hit it with something. Take the trend out. Take something to support this position. Same here. One on each side. That trend can be taken down. Then this set of brackets here is installed. Same here. 3 screws. Then you can take this off from me. Then break this down. This twist first prizes up. Take it off and hold the 2 clips here against it. Push out. You can take off the hole. Yes, remove this rod from the original car. Stand up here. Break it out a little bit and take it out. Okay, take this off, just throw it away. Then this is installed. This is out of trend. It goes in here. Then put the trend on. After installing it in place, screw the screw back. Observe this side. After it is installed in place, install this bracket. Take out the matching one. This self-tapping screw screws it back in. Screw it on this one. Tighten the screws. Then this is installed. Then put the other side on. Install it the same way. These two trends are all installed. Then the back is the effect of the installation completion. Just put this on. Then card the plug-in lamp holder of the original car back. Then put the left lamp holder. Stuck on the trend. The same goes for the lamp holder on the far right. Just cut it back. Then after the lamp holder and cable are stuck, you can put this board back up. Put the screen back on. Stretch this thread. Plug all the plugs back in. All lines are connected. Just put the screen card back. Then put it back and install all the screws. Then the cover plate is put back on. Then take out this big trend. Put the trend lamp holder card on. Lock in, put the trend back on. Note that there is a bulge here when installing. Just correct this hole. This line is aimed at this hole. You can get stuck smoothly. That's it. Then the other side operates the same way. Then unscrew the two screws here. After the screws are screwed off, remove the board. Press OK. Take out this module patch cord. Then unplug the socket light plug. Unplug it. After pulling it out, plug it together with the adapter cable. Then plug this end in this position. It's for a trim. Otherwise it can't be plugged in. Trim this plug. Then put it through the socket lamp. Then plug it in with the socket light. Then card the socket light back. And now the foot socket light is transferred out. This extra head. Take it to the module and plug it into this head. 5P head pair plugged together. Plug the trend end into the module end. Just put the module back.